let's show everybody out there in the world how to do the smoky eye. Again, I'm using the NARS. Same color I used to go over her eyeshadow. Same color I used to go underneath her eyeliner on the bottom. The same color I'm going to go right into the corner with. Close your eyes, Ashley. It's right where that eyeliner ends is where I start going up. And just keep on blending and going up, 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 up. Open. Boom. Other eye. Right into that corner. Look up. Look now. I'm gonna hold this. Right in that crease. The upper crease. Just want to do some blending right in that upper crease. You can look up. Kind of halfway up, not too up. And now we finished the smoky eye look. She did a brown smoky eye, which still pops. It's just as dramatic as if you were using black. It's just not as harsh. This can be for day, definitely can be for night. Sometimes using black can just be a little bit too harsh and a little bit too overdoing it. Brown, you can still make a big statement because I'm using black liquid eyeliner. You can always put black pencil underneath as well. You don't have to use brown. And so sometimes I mix brown and black. Sometimes I go with brown first on the bottom. And just to pop a little bit of black, I might put black just a little bit in the middle, just to kind of give it a statement. But I don't like girls to look harsh. I like them to look, smile, She's a little nervous on camera, but that will all change. And basically, that's the smoky eye look. Thank you, Ashley, again for being such a great model. And we'll see you again. Bye, everybody out there.